Hi there. If you tuned in for the Facebook Live, I apologize for the delay. I have no idea what's going on, but I couldn't post live. So I'm going to quickly film this video and upload it, and hopefully that will address any questions you might have. So if you don't know me, I'm Marjie Kemper. I'm a mixed media artist, and I used to teach a lot of classes traveling around the country, and for the last few years, I've been teaching online instead. My new class that's coming out on Saturday is called All About ATCs, and that's short for Artist Trading Cards and Artist Trading Coins. So if you don't know what an artist trading card is, it's something like this. It's what we would consider baseball size, and it's just a small work of art on a small surface. They can be many different ways. They can be 3D, textural, they can be stamped, stenciled, painted, that sort of thing. So those are some examples of artist trading cards. This is one I like from a while back. Now the other one I mentioned is artist trading coins, and those are these round versions. These are more challenging to me than the cards because they're very small. So the cards are 2.5 by 3.5 inches, and the coins are 2.5 inches. So in this mixed media art workshop called All About ATCs, I walk you through many different mixed media art techniques. There are over 50 videos in the class, and they're very tightly edited videos. It's not like you're going to sit there and watch paint dry or anything like that. I take the time to edit them so you only get value in each one. The class is hosted on a platform called Thinkific, and when you purchase the class, you'll get a unique login credential, and then you can go in and you can watch the videos whenever you like, as many times as you like, and you also have the option of downloading them and keeping them for yourself. I'll keep them up on that site for a year though, so you can go for the whole year on my dime looking at them, and then if you want to put them on your computer and host them there, you're welcome to do that then. So in addition to all of the video classes, we have a private Facebook group, and that is a wonderful community where you can come over, meet other people. People have actually met in real life as a result of meeting in the online class group, which I think is amazing. You can upload your projects, ask any questions you have, that sort of thing. One thing that differentiates my class from some others is that I have a student handbook. So this is a pretty detailed book, giving you all sorts of tips and tricks, suggestions on different papers and materials you can use to make your cards. I also include several design elements that you can print out and use on your cards, as well as some sentiments. So even if you don't have a lot of stamps and shapes and paper punches and things like that, you have quite a bit to work with in your student handbook. I also have some labels in the back of these. Some of you might have seen these. I have them over on Pinterest. These are labels you can use. People will fill out information on the label about how the card was made, who made it, and when, and then cut them out and attach them to the back of the card. So that's a handy tip. There's a lot of color samples here and an index of the video lessons. So I think it's very well organized. I've gone through it a few times. I've had great feedback from the people who've already taken the class. It launched for the first time last August. So this is the second run. So I've made some polishing and tweaking touches, and I'm really proud of it, and I'm excited about it. And I hope that if you have any questions, you'll drop them below this video, and then I can certainly come back later on and in the next few days and answer them. So the class starts on Saturday. Today is the last day of the early bird discount, which is to save $20 using the code SAVE20. That's all one word with no spaces. I'll also put that below this video. I had a few questions come in over the last couple of days that I wanted to address. Someone asked if you need to be if you need to be online on Saturday at a certain time when the class opens. Absolutely not. We have people from all over the world and all different time zones. So you work at your own pace. On Saturday, I will email those who have purchased the class with their login credentials, and at that time, they'll have access to the entire course. So if you want to binge watch it and get it all done right away, you can do that. If you want to stretch it out, you can do that too. As I said, you'll have all the materials uploaded over there for a year, but you can also download them to your own devices and keep them for longer after that. There is a live component, which I mentioned, the free Facebook group, the private Facebook group. That's a really nice element, and that is live for 1 month. So for the entire month of February, I'm in there in the morning and the evening, checking on you, seeing if you need any help or encouragement. So that's when that live component takes place. When does access end? We already covered that. Can you download the videos? Yes, you can. And that's it. The class course fee is $99. It's $99 for a one-time payment, or you can do a payment plan of 2 payments of $55. But if you do the full single payment, you can use that Save 20 coupon code. That's only good on a single payment. What else? I'm really excited about it. I'm looking forward to seeing who joins us this time, and I think it's going to be a wonderful class. So if you have any questions that I haven't answered or addressed, please leave them in the comments below, or feel free to use Messenger to reach out to me. Either way is fine. I will be sure to get back to you, and I thank you very much for tuning in, and I hope you have a great day.